Hi guys, I'm Kanchan and welcome back to my channel, The Glorious Menu. So recently only one of my best friend got married. It was like really out of the box, and you might have heard it, me and my best friend Gauri talking about it in the previous video if you have watched it. And yeah, so she got married on like 6th of July, I guess. Yeah, that time it was really hot and humid, so it was really a wonderful experience for like all of us, all of our friends. And yeah, I got to be the bridesmaid, and it was like a real job, I should say. And yeah, so I have like some tips to share with you all. If you're going to be a bride or bridesmaid, whatever, you need to hear all these tips, man. So that was like a pretty great unusual experience. Like for the first time in my life, I've experienced being a bridesmaid, like somebody like really close to me getting married and all that stuff. So yeah, I collected some really important tips from all that experience, and I'm here to share all of that with you all. And you really need to hear me out when I say that. I mean it. I really mean it. If you're going to be a bride or a bridesmaid. And now, without any further more ado, without any more blabbering, let's quickly get into the video straight. In this video, like the starting 4 tips will be for only the bridesmaid, and the bride tip, there are like 2 major tips, I would say, like major tip, and you need to hear them out. So the 4 starting tips would be for bridesmaid only. So yeah, the first tip would be, so like in our Indian wedding rituals, all other functions like pehle hote hain, haldi, mehndi, sangeet and all that. So we were so excited for like the sangeet function. It was a day before the shadi function, obviously. And for that, the tip is always choose a comfortable outfit. I mean, you're gonna dance like crazy. आपको पता भी नहीं चलेगा कि आपने क्या कैसे डांस किया, and you will not even get like pictures clicked and all that shit. So yeah, पहले तो comfortable outfit choose करो. Initially I was gonna wear like that blingy lehenga, sequin वाले कपड़ा जो अभी चल रहा है. But then as I saw कि कितनी गर्मी हो रही है and all that situation, keeping all that in mind, I chose a very comfortable anarkali suit. And thanks to God, thanks to me, thanks to my brain literally, कि मैंने वो outfit choose किया, and I was really very comfortable in that. आई नो, अगर मैंने वो लहंगा पहना होता, सीक्विन लहंगा, तो मेरी क्या ही हालत होती संगीत फंक्शन में. एंड इट टर्न्ड आउट टू बी रियली वेरी गुड. अ बोनस टिप इन द फर्स्ट टिप ओनली, तुम लोग फोटोज़ खिंचाने की भूल जाओ, लाइक अपने बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स के संगीत में या फिर लाइक क्लोज वंस के संगीत में. सो फॉरगेट दैट यू आर गोना गेट क्लिक्ड देयर. सो don't keep that in mind. As soon as you get ready, just click your pictures, click howsoever you want to be clicked, and click all the shit out of it. So yeah, just get clicked, get all the pictures clicked before you go to the like venue. And yeah, उसके बाद तो भूल जाओ, because जब तक फोटोग्राफर तुम्हारे पास आएगा फोटोज के लिए, तो तब तक तुम भी like you'll be all sweaty and all that. So yeah, we have covered like first step, obviously choose a comfortable outfit, and in that only get your pictures clicked at home only as soon as you get ready. So the next one is, do not wear any heavy jhumkas. So when I say do not, just do not. I mean, I wore like really heavy jhumkas with my outfit. That was like the charm of the look. And yeah, so as soon as I like reached the venue, we started dancing like crazy. We stepped on the dance floor and we were like all friends dancing like crazy, and I broke my jhumka. that was like the star of the look, so charm of the look. But yeah, that happened, and then I didn't even feel like getting clicked pictures and all that. So yeah, say no to like big jhumkas. Just wear comfortable jhumkas or balis, chand balis, whatever you wanna wear. When you have to dance like crazy, when you know you're gonna be like dancing like a drunk. So please say no to jhumkas that time. All the tips that I'm sharing with you all are like experienced. मैंने खुद ये चीज़ें experience की हैं, and that's why I have like collected all the bunch of tips to share with you all. So yeah, moving on to the next. The next tip, the third one is never ever wear new shoes on like the function. Like पहले मतलब एकदम न्यू शूज़ तुम फंक्शन पे बिल्कुल नहीं पहनो. And with that only, carry a bunch of band-aids. Like you get shoe bites, and I get it like a lot with like branded shoes or whatever. I will surely get like shoe bites. So if that is the case with you, or you're wearing like new shoes, because होता है ना कि in our like हमारे close ones की शादी में हम नए नए कपड़े जूते सब खरीदते हैं. So never ever do that. Like never wear new shoes that will like bite your toes and ankles like crazy. That happened with me. Oh god, the next day I was wearing like 4 or 5 band-aids in one like feet. So please say no to new shoe and carry a bunch of band-aids. That will save you, like literally. If it is a summer wedding, and I would say even if it's winter, like open hair are like really not in trend a lot. So choose to like keep your hair up, nice hairdo or whatever will like suits you. I'm carrying a comb in my hand. So as I was saying, choose to keep your hair up. Surely if it's a summer wedding, like thank God I was playing safe with that. Both the days, like on the Sangeet day, I chose to make like a braided bun kind of a thing, low bun. Though लास्ट तक वो भी एकदम ऐसे खुल चुका था डांस करने के बाद. एंड द नेक्स्ट डे, द शादी डे, आई चोज टू मेक हाई पोनी टेल. एंड थैंक गॉड आई प्लेड सेफ. लाइक इतनी गर्मी थी, इट वॉज सो हॉट एंड ह्यूमिड. इफ इवन इतना सा मैंने सोचा भी होता ना ओपन हेयर करने का, सो ये बिल्कुल नहीं हो पाता मुझसे तो बिल्कुल. सो आई वुड सजेस्ट टू ऑलवेज लाइक प्ले सेफ and choose to like keep your hair up. That would be for your comfort only. So yeah, and that is like stylish as well. Like now primarily focusing on the bride. Yes, if you are going to be a bride, please hear me out. Like after a keen observation on my like best friend, I like have these tips to share with you all. I collected these tips. So first one would be, so it is like carrying all these things in your pouch. I mean, the bride has that pouch now, like a clutch bag or something. कुछ भी हमारे पास है, please carry all these things. I have like 6 things to share जो कि तुम्हें ज़रूर carry करना चाहिए उस pouch में, even if you are bridesmaid or like whatever, but for a bride for sure. Safety pins, obviously, bobby pins, hair pins, and the lash glue and the nail glue and a compact for sure. You need to carry all these things. And out of all these, like most important, obviously, these hair pin and bobby pins and safety pins are obviously for sure. ये तो सब लोग carry almost करते ही हैं. If you don't, then please do it. And tissues, of course. And but the main thing I want to say is carry the lash glue, the eyelash you apply. लोग सोचते हैं कि प्रोफेशनल मेकअप कराया एंड सब कुछ ठीक रहेगा, एंड तक टिका रहेगा, बट द लैश टेंड्स टू लाइक peel out from the place with the time, because obviously पूरा दिन लग जाता है. So lash वो निकलना शुरू हो जाता है, and you need to carry a lash glue. This happened with my bride, like with my best friend. The lash started like coming out a little bit. Thank God it didn't like came off all of a sudden in the middle. And though we were carrying like a lash glue, some of one of our friend was carrying a lash glue, so we were on the safe side, but you might not be. So keep it in mind, always carry all these things, lash glue and even the nail glue. if you're wearing like a fake nails, and all the safety pins and bobby pins and a compact, obviously. Moving on to the next tip, from this one only, carry a bunch of tissues. I mean, वहाँ पे obviously वो चीप क्वालिटी के टिश्यूज़ होते हैं इन द लाइक डाइनिंग एरिया एंड ऑल दैट, सो वो फेस पे यूज़ नहीं कर सकते, बट you need to carry your own tissues. You will be sweaty of course, and summer weddings इसमें तो भूल ही जाओ कि sweat नहीं आने का कोई chances है. Whatever makeup you are getting done with, just carry a bunch of tissues. That will save your life. We were all the time doing that only with our friend, like keeping a tissue and tapping it all over her face. So that was our duty, and so keep it in mind. Be it a winter wedding or a summer wedding, you need to carry a bunch of tissues, whether you are bride or bridesmaid, doesn't matter. Next, now the major tip for the bride especially, like, do not drink like too much water. I mean, obviously you're not gonna dehydrate yourself, but please do not drink like too much of water or anything, because it's really very hard to pee for a bride. Oh god. I can't believe I'm sharing this. Our bride has had to pee like and we were like 4 people lifting her lehenga. It was like more than 25 kgs plus, like, oh god, I cannot even think of handling such heavy lehenga. So she was handling it all by her own, and think about it, when you have to like pee with all that heavy lehenga, how would you? So please do not drink too much of water, save yourself. And yeah, मतलब एक बार तो चल जाता है, but बार बार how would you go? So play on the safe side, do not drink too much of water. Now the last one, but not the least obviously, is for all the like bridesmaid. Obviously bride तो कुछ कर नहीं सकती है इसमें. Do not let your friends marry in such hot humid weather. Do not. I mean, do not. This was like very hot day, very humid, and जैसे ही like I was done with my makeup, I was sweating it all out already, so I couldn't even wear my outfit properly. I was all sweating and sweating. So please do not let your friends marry in such hot humid weather. We couldn't do anything about that because that was like a pre-pond thing. It was initially supposed to happen in November, but yeah, things happened. It was all good though, but yeah, keep it in mind for yourself. So yeah, with that we are done with today's tip video. I hope you liked it. So I really hope you liked all the tips that I shared with you all after my keen observation in that wedding. So yeah, please do like it if you liked it, and share this video with all your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel if you're new here, and turn on that bell notification on so that you get notified every time I post a new video. And yeah, that would mean a lot to me. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.